Welcome back, camper lovers. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is here to redefine road trips and van life with its upgraded design, comfortable interior, and efficient engine options. Whether you're an overland traveler, weekend camper, or digital nomad, this campervan blends functionality, modern technology, and rugged durability for the ultimate adventure. Exterior design: rugged and adventure-ready. Ford has given the 2025 Transit Campervan a refreshed exterior that's both stylish and functional for van lifers and outdoor enthusiasts. Aerodynamic build: sleeker lines improve fuel efficiency while maintaining a spacious interior. Bold front fascia features a larger grille with optional lighting for better nighttime visibility. Customizable configurations available in high roof and extended wheelbase models to suit different space needs. Enhanced off-road capabilities: large side mirrors for better visibility. Sliding side doors for easy access. Rugged bumpers for off-road durability. Optional all-terrain tires, skid plates, and lifted suspension for off-the-grid adventures. Interior: a home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior built for comfort and practicality. Climate adaptability: fully insulated cabin for all-weather camping. Flexible floor plans: choose from a basic camper setup to a fully equipped tiny home on wheels. Standard features: foldable bed for optimized space. Compact kitchenette with a sink and stove. Ample storage compartments for organization. Luxury upgrades: refrigerator, microwave, and extended countertops. Built-in bathroom with a cassette toilet and shower. Premium trims. Tech and connectivity: integrated solar panels and lithium battery system. Touchscreen control panel for lighting, temperature, and power. Built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C ports, and upgraded infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seating and comfort: plush captain's chairs in the front. Convertible rear lounge doubles as a workspace. Large windows for natural light with blackout curtains and soundproofing for a cozy sleeping experience. Engine and performance: efficiency meets power. Ford offers multiple powertrain options to match different travel needs. Standard 3.5L V6 balances power and fuel efficiency, perfect for cross-country trips. Optional 3.5L EcoBoost V6 provides extra torque for better towing capacity and acceleration. Plug-in hybrid variant: eco-friendly option allowing essential electronics to run without a gas generator. All-electric e-Transit version offers around 200 miles per charge, ideal for city explorers and short-distance travelers. Intelligent all-wheel drive (AWD) ensures better traction on rough terrains, snowy roads, and muddy campsites. 10-speed automatic transmission provides smooth shifting for a stress-free drive. Safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist for added security on long drives. Price and availability: pricing varies based on configurations and features. Base model starts at approximately $55,000 with essential camping features. Mid-range trims priced around $70,000 with added comfort and tech features. Fully loaded luxury edition can exceed $90,000 with premium amenities. All-electric e-Transit version starts at $65,000, may qualify for government incentives. Ford also offers various customization packages through upfitters, allowing you to personalize your camper van according to your lifestyle. The van is expected to hit dealerships by mid-2025, with pre-orders opening in early 2025. Final thoughts: the 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a game-changer for road trip lovers, offering a perfect mix of comfort, versatility, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a reliable adventure companion or a mobile home for full-time van life, this campervan is built to meet your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest campervans and road trip essentials. VIP Auto TV, your ultimate source for car reviews and updates.